You slow fuck. Random. I beat you and Ghost up. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna peep. Y'all got the same Super Bowl cut.
We're gonna scratch that. Bought the strap back, rob the dice game, and shut the drawers down. Unfortunately, there's no cash back. Impact, boom.
Stay humble. Shotgun bullets the size of sage bundles. This square only popping his own bubble. I hate trouble. I tell you, girl.
Nigga, not so far. This ain't that. Fuck with this, arm out. And I'm busting it like I ain't got no car.
We're at the main event tonight. This is what everybody been waiting for. Everybody's in the building that's been waiting on this shit. Make some motherfucking noise, right? Get this introduction right, man. Listen.
Yeah.
All the way from the 513, man, this nigga's resume is something else, man. So, I mean, to those of y'all who don't know, man, it's gonna be one for the night. Even though I partially introduced you, Mama Lady, introduce yourself. Go ahead, homie.
Pretty hippie.
Let's go.
Uptown, Forest Park, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio. Free mind.
Make some motherfucking noise for Pretty Hippie, y'all. Hold it down. To my left, straight from the Cap City. You already know how you get down. You can go ahead and introduce yourself too, man. Let the people know who you is.
Oh, it is, man. Sneezey, Bo, shots fired, representative. Yeah.
Make some motherfucking noise, y'all. We already did the coin toss. Sneezey won. It's on Hippie first. Hold it down. Respect the battlers. Shots, motherfucking fire. Let's go.
Hey,
Hold it down.
they told me to make a Crucible audition and try to go to URL. Bruh, I be on LSD. I was on my way to the moon. This the hippie. I damn near told AR, nigga, pay me in shrooms. You got a pistol collection? Cool. I got a sage and a crystal collection and a pistol collection too. Cause niggas get the peaceful shit misconstrued. I'm still protected. I'm 10 toes down like a 2-minute drill reception. Do you read me? I feel dyslexic with the gun. The D-E easy as ABC, but with the F-in, you hit the fun. I'm a dom. Old presidential blunt, big as a Trump. It seems your bud's fake. I put him in a real bag. I'm finessing runts, nigga. Freeform locks in my head. I get a retwist for what? The Queen Light Natural. You said you stay facts, but it's underneath cap. I don't like snapping. If I was whack and predictable like you, I would have did a slider punch about a box late night and then, you know, round it all with White Castle. But the cliche URL rhyme pattern whacked to me. I catch him sleep lacking with his girl out to eat. Grabbing drinks, I still on him. It's a punch out date like Cassidy. I put kettle butter in my mac and cheese. I'm into that shit. The pip I'm blessed with, harder to find than disinfected. Bulletproof your SUV or it's a death. Bald head sit on top the big body like Norbs. Who going missing next? The fact you think you gonna whisper and beat me in a battle is disrespect. Speak up, little nigga. Say it with your chest. Hey, your mama a old ratchet. I twist a blunt and it get it wet. See, all she want is a pint of Paul and a pack of cigarettes. And every once in a while, a little kitty text. Like, hey, what it do, big head? I had to feed your son quiet ass the biscuit. I guess closed mouths do get fed. She said, who, my son? I said, yeah, the nigga had the right one. Bullet got his name on it. I had to use the K to get even. This nigga gotta die, son. Kevin, die, son. Fuck it, tattoo stars in a bucket. Let's take it to the stage, that's the cool part. I came up around rats, sticks, and 8 balls, nigga. I'm a pool shark. Head on a swivel. I'm looking in every direction like a fat woman at the food court. I'm unorthodox and use a bitch ready. Blow the whistle. His arm's too short. Plus he lacking the curves. If I hear your bitch ass getting any money off the package, my word, I come to your block, mask up for the sneezing, flatten the curve, and tape it. I bet it be a cold fit, 19 in the gut. Only witness was an old lady. All she said was, so dead. Even my filler got a message like a fortune cookie. Fuck. I sit down, I pass the gas, I got the cushion, whoopee. My city was mad, I was battling this punk ass rookie. They did the math, they couldn't believe that I took that pussy. Now everything that I said, now out of everything that I said, the only thing that was whack was the whoopee line. Extensions on something small, old, and black, now that's a whoopee line. Extensions on something small, gold, and black, now that's a whoopee line. I'm vegan, alkaline, anti-corona diet. I'm a strong black man, I do more than riot. I catch you sleeping, crown, I'm creeping through your backyard like a Sneezey round. You know, slow and quiet. You better speak up and let them hear it, nigga. The ride home, they gonna be like, you my nigga, but you got your ass kicked by that weird nigga.
Bottom of round 1, it's on Sneeze. Respect the battlers. Shots fired. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
You a dead man. And his homies you gotta join in the ground. You lost this battle when you accepted. I don't know why we let that coin hit the ground. It's all part of the test. And I make it real hard to contest. Cause I'm the heart of the test, nigga. See you still showing up, dressed like somebody's granny, this for granny. Hippie about to OD on Xannies, yeah. I am about to bar you to death. 3 battles in, and the feedback major. I don't play, I kill shit in the building. I can worry about feedback and recaps later. Couldn't get nowhere with this rap shit. I was pissed. They said you need that anger. Now I connect like 80 punches every 2 minutes. I'm a speed bag trainer. Dude knew he was gonna get killed out here. Niggas is on solid medicines, thinking they ain't gonna get peeled out here. Don't trip. Sneeze gonna give you that feel for real. Grab the steel, Jack and Jill. It all goes downhill from here. You the 4th person. Since they announced it, I've been on your porch lurking. Thirsty for the kidnap. The kickback kicks back stronger than when the horse nervous. I'll be over. Should have bought antifreeze. Because if I up and he freeze, it's only because he got me overheated. Now listen, is you really a conscious nigga or you just like to get high? Tell us the whole thing. Or the pole bang. Your whole image need fixed. Trying to be fly and eating shrooms don't mix. We all seen Soul playing, no games. fly and eating shrooms don't mix. We all seen Soul Plane, no games, the Sig burst, big squirt. Having beef is like the yard need cut. I'ma have to pick up the sticks first. That's usually the first route. That's usually the first route. Or it's the K. Leave body parts going their separate ways like I don't think this about to work out. Jack of all trades, me. And I was jacking all traders. Your bitch could be an option. The machine bring boxes. I track her in, trailer, then boom, shorty. She don't even get trunk. Ain't no room, shorty. As soon as dude come back all broken up, I got the broom for him. Niggas do these little battles. Worried about getting on smacking shit. Me, I be more worried about smacking shit. Going real rabbit and shit. I could air them all with the quarter. Blink and miss it, there and gone with the quarter. It's a magic trick. Oh my God. And about him. I don't know about him. But I know how my shit goes. Pull up. I get a jumping hole in the nose like I don't know how to swim. It's too different. Ain't shit changed. Big bang. Lou said wash all of you niggas. There's still plenty room in the dish drain. Click. Bang. See to it that your tombstone huge. It'll be your first and only time ever in time having a big name. Y'all funny money, Hippo. Sold your soul for these 3 rounds. Now, you get to eat a bunch of rounds. Since you so hungry, Hippo, how your name Hippie and you ain't hip to the school? How did you ever let them tie your strings together? About me, nigga, you tripping for sure. I'll bang on sight. I banged on sight, close range with the pipe, let a few singles go. I done gave out plenty change at the light, another step down, battling this let down. Spent hella time at the range, aiming. So the bulldog know how to fetch now, fine print be everywhere. Walking through the spot is a nature hike. You're gonna see different size sticks everywhere, squeezing. Till you stop breathing, 12 glass. Split his whole body in half. And that's how we break even. Another one half. Golden gun bullets. All it's gonna take is 1 round. Now it's only 1 round. Give it up, y'all! Give it up! Give it up!
Top round 2.
Sneezey ball. If I find out, let me get my lungs tested. If I find out you got front of the play with me, Sneezey ball. If I find out you got front of the play with me, I'm taking Sneezey ball. Pistol whip. Back of the arm to the face. That's a Sneezey ball. Don't get jacked, son. I'm a legend in 2 games, Sneezey ball. Yeah. You said my nigga hang around squares all day in your calendar. That was calendar. But you hang around scrubs all day with a stethoscope. Tall. Tall. I'm about to fall asleep doing that shit. Acid trips, I'm doing backflips. Watching Midnight Gospel with your queen getting my sack lit. I know what to do with the baby, the pediatric. I'm stupid. I'm ruthless. I'm a pro. Test me, the shit stolen, bro. Loser. Get on the floor if I throw them, ball. Luna. Nah, I'm like Lucius. I lose the weight and I know all the up and coming young shooters. But mine's not hoopers. You besties with a white boy named Daquan, that's cool. I promote peace and love to the fullest. But if a white cop shoot at you, is he jumping in front of the bullet? I mean, you know guns burn. And I know, you know guns burn. spraying like Old Spice to get rid of B.O. They said Sneezey gotta look dope, and his niggas might try sucking on you. I found out where B.O.B. now, there's nothing on you. I rip through raps like Pickle Rick, cartoon and acid, hippie shit. Bro, nigga, I let the nickel squeeze before I ever had a pin pinch. What's that? Why do niggas think I'm out here just doing hella drugs, not hustling? I'm not struggling. I got kettle butter in a pot bubbling. I got LSD strips for sale and mushrooms. I got a bunch of them. Crystal jewelry for my kings and queens. Come fuck with us. Your girl head cold. She's sucking up and bundle up. We don't fight fair. We get double cuts. That's fucking junk. I'm an OG. You hear an old school nigga letting it sing, it ain't shit up high on his drum. It's 100 drum. It's 100 drum. I aim it and spark. You better play your part. Sneezey said he was blessed in the game, but when it came time to let go, he had a change of heart. That was a subtle punch you gotta keep up. You know when you sneeze, it change your heart. Woo! So when you pop deuces in the inbox of your ops, you living up to your name. That's the lamest part. You wouldn't move a nigga on Saturday. You afraid of the dark. Hey Pete, I brought an AR and it came in the park. I got a low-key laid-back gun. I let the Sneezey bow ring. Twin blocks, I let those off. Cause Sneezey bow ring, you my son. Neglected you. I could have taught you well. I'm gonna be, oh, you coming off a W, now how about an L? I caught him in the alley, knife work, strike, there's nothing there. I'm going in his homie pocket next. I'm picking up a spare. I got spring water and sea moss in my... Hey, I got spring water and sea moss in my Tupperware. Like a 22-year-old Scorpio, it's my fucking year. You better speak up, that whispering is fucking weird. Hippie life.
Funny dude. But ain't nothing you can do with this. More chicken than a farmhouse. Arm out like the same lunatics. Who the fuck is this? And why y'all didn't warn me? Plenty lead in the stick, sign his death foreign. Committing forgery, this is a bully match. And I don't feel all bad at all. You got like this Chillicothe psych med pill call swag. Beat me, man. I mean, you cool, but you gonna have to be better. I don't do right, and the back gonna be at me. I'm Heath Ledger, and I handle shit. Candles lit. Appetizer game. You eat a bullet out of several different guns. Gave him a sample dish, first day of school ready. First day of school ready. No breaks, pound cake. Got me running down on plates. Big mama just yelled the food ready. Tell your niggas do not talk over me. Tell your niggas do not talk over me. With the metal piece, I'm a Lego piece. And y'all will get hurt for trying to walk over me. I pity the fool. I pity the fool who thought dude was gonna win this. Promise he's a goner. 40 clip longer than Megan's friends list. I ain't in the friendships. I ain't in the friendships. Had too many hardships. So ain't no working out nothing when you see us doing arm lifts. Top gun. You had a hot run if we talking average. And I don't even get excited about abs. But I know the sub a box one that's wordplay.
Oh my God!
That's wordplay. Go dumb on my worst day. The whole town know. I blow down like they just sung happy. Hey, look. Why is my whole resume a family of junkies? Niggas who cat like they on it. Who got him winning? I bet my bottom rack on it. I'm used to gambling with bunkies. Catch him while you're in the booth, in rec session, take 9. Push buttons, put characters in a box. That's usually the text message. Every battle is the same observation. I am a terrible neurologist. No one survives these brain operations, you fucking moron. You ain't gonna see dad again or mom face to face with him. But my face is a machine. I feel like Zordon, hippie. The weird nigga. Going up against the thing, slide. Wipe the whole scene down. Then wipe the scene clean. Heard the song, bling bling. It'll make voicemail at best. But I ain't even thing, slide, wipe the whole scene down, then wipe the scene clean. Heard your song, bling bling. It'll make voicemail at best, but I ain't even got the voicemail set. So it's gonna ring, big smoke. Like y'all get dope. I see through it. You an elder who fell down the steps. I could tell hit broke. Idle time. Acting like they get dough, I see through it. He an elder who fell down the steps. I could tell his broke. Idle time is the devil's workplace. Must be rifle time, clear. In vital times, we was shutting down vital signs. The ratchet was perfect. Say I made too many rash decisions. It's crazy because I'm just now scratching the surface.
Fuck all these niggas, niggas.
Cheap minds. Looking out.
Chill out. What is supposed to do? That's his own.
Cheap minds be looking out like you're coming up on a street sign or it's fragments flying. Literally give him a free mind. Bottom line is all day. You tell yourself that you living, but you really a swerve on and off stage. Who else? I don't take no off days. Today for me, been a long day. You, just the wrong day. Right.
Round, give it up, y'all. Last round. We almost there.
I guess I'm coasting in the third. If it's 1-1, I gotta separate because I'm doper with the words. Clearly, it's not a tie bow. I'm at your neck. Bow tie bow. Ball head with a kick. You know tie bow. Talking spicy, I cook your noodle. You like tie bow. Get your boots tied, bow. Go into training early morning with it. I'm more than a different creed. I box niggas, bitch. You hard at hearing. Sniper rifle, silencer. You won't even hear the bow, boy. I'll be at the top of the steps with the arm extended.
That
was a rock. That was a rocky scheme. You slow fuck. Random. I beat you and Ghost up. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna peep. Y'all got the same Super Bowl cut. All that street shit. Nigga, me and my white boy make plays, run through O's together. You and your white boy hit the arcade, get y'all hair cut in Super Bowls together. What y'all niggas barber named Campbell? Y'all walked in there and asked for the good, pause. Dog, I heard of the bro code, but y'all bros. Dog, I heard of the bro code, but y'all bros. Fuck a bromance, y'all a whole brolation. I bet you Ghost call you like, yo, where you at, bro? Drop that brocation. Before the event, I tried to match weed with the niggas. He said, no disrespect, bro. Me and bro already got a blunt in rotation. You niggas is bromosexuals. I'm not judging you, I'm just skeptical. I can't mess with you. Fuck the joke and back to what I do. Throw back revolver. 38 yelling in his face. It's like you battling a noob. I'm more than pissed. You would get beat, me in battle, I'm on my board. I'm more than shit. You would get beat, me in battle, I'm on my boardy shit. Fuck that. Q Nemesis, the 40 spit. Stay humble. Shotgun bullets the size of sage bundles. This square only popping his own bubble. Stay humble. Shotgun bullets the size of sage bundles. This square only popping his own bubble. I hate trouble. I tell you, girl. Man, I told your girl I can't cuddle. I'm face fucking, then I'm in traffic. Crystal jewelry, big agate, hippie swag, mismatching. Oh, you never lost? This one gonna hurt very bad. He swear he Goldberg. Well, guess who I am, Kevin? Nash. In red and black, with a wolf pack. I let security tase you like Scott Hall. I do drop-offs, I do pickups. I still got the K dot in your face. I remove your absol, you going up top, dog. I low-key remix my top dog skin, cause quite frank, it's still hot, dog. Whoa, whoa. Sneezey, you a bitch up if I'm pressing. Whoa, whoa. Sneezey, you a bitch up if I press you with the fo-fo. Niggas always talking about I dress homeless. I be chilling with your hobo. Oh, you like that? Oh, you one of them laid back, cool ass niggas that like to play a combo till I hit you with a combo in your face bowl. A little 22, baby in his bitch gut, stay in your place, bowl. That's another subtle punch. Y'all didn't even peep though. If you put place and bowl together, baby, that's placebo. Every Friday, my plug hit me with a brick. I sold Debo. I can see bowl. I slide down and swing on them at the gazebo. Where you been, Bo? While you was gone, I was with your bimbo. You don't fight like Kimbo. The body you got fake like little Kimbo. My chick gangster. Check the misdemeanor. You fall, you get stomped out with the Timbo. I grip the polo. You better dip low or lose a limbo. Go said something similar, but I'm better than him, so I said it again, Mo.
You're better than the other one, for sure.
Hippie like freestyle.
So Sneeze, respect the artist. Hold it down. Shots fired.
Man, where the fuck y'all found Hippie? Don't make a difference. Shouldn't have came around Hippie. Now I got a down Hippie. Nuisance. Revolver lead bruises. Trey pound hickeys. Somebody needs notified. 40 caliber. Giving out stamps of approval. Niggas get notarized. 12 booking shit. Horrible tattoo letters. Crooked shit. Thought they had another fish, but I wiggled. I'm off the hook with this. Now look at this. I know niggas locked down who ain't leaving. They was so worried about eating, they wasn't watching who they was cooking with. You understand how crazy that is? Red rag, wrapped around a revolver. Bought the baby a bid. I'm like them little things on the front door at crib. I let the metal knock. Bullet right through the stomach fat. You get a jello shot. I never forgot my touch. I never forgot my touch. I just was snatching pots a long time ago, y'all. But if we talking hippos pot, I must.
Everybody's starving.
If we talking hippos pot, I must. Capping on, go for it. Capping on, go for it. I know the ropes, scope. Got you smack dab in the middle of a tic-tac-toe board. The game got rules, nigga. Read over the page. Came across Japanese bullets. I leave soy sauce all over the stage. He a pop star? Nigga, not so far. This ain't that. Fuck with this, arm out. And I'm busting it like I ain't got no car. And I'm busting it like I ain't got no car. The more bold you acting, the more I turn red. Put the 5 to his head for being over dramatic. Hippies was anti-civil war. So I know you don't want no rep. As soon as I got this call, I should have hung it up. Coat check, arm here, arm there. Coat check, arm here, arm there. Put them both in the air. Protest. If it ever was your time, you never heard about it. Rolex, no sweat. You ain't the first.
Oh my God.
No sweat. You ain't the first. You just taking the next L. Chest shot, deep breath, left fist raggedy, bitch on the balcony. Still waiting to exhale. I understand we trying to go for the gold. This nigga Ludo, man. He bringing me all these baby ass bags. And I don't smoke out of bowls, hypnosis. And the hip is where the nose is, precious. Humbleness do not outweigh aggressive. And hip knows this, and the natty. Hip knows this. And the natty, he the man. But to me, super light. So too much tough shit when I'm done with the Sprite. Squeeze the can. We're gonna scratch that. Bought the strap back, robbed the dice game, then shut the drawers down. Unfortunately, there's no cash back. Impact, boom. Unfortunately, there's no cash back. Impact, boom. You a dunce. Clip poking out over brunch. It's the only time you will ever see a moon at noon. I was hoping you played dead, but you wasn't winning. Marked for death from the beginning. Now, y'all can tell him Screwface dead. After this, please respect me. Niggas the worst and I can't relate. So you gonna always get the best sneeze, drink the best drink, blow the best weed. But for now, they said eat, and I ate. It's a wrap. Check, please.
Niggas.